Is it worth anything? Today we're talking about uranium glass. And uranium glass is glassware that has uranium in it. It started, I got varying dates, but late 1700s, early 1800s was when they started to put uranium in the glass, and it was to help them achieve the color that they were trying for. So much of your uranium glass is what I've always called Vaseline glass, or some of your green depression glass. Not all of that is uranium glass, however. They stopped putting uranium in the glass to get this color like during the 1940s, and throughout after that, because nuclear bombs and things became more popular and they needed the uranium for that. So the only way you can tell if it is true uranium glass is to put it under a black light. Now, I can tell you it's only been like the last couple of years that I've noticed at least antique shops around here who have had cases with a black light in, and then they have the uranium glass displayed inside. And it's quite spectacular. And I think that's one of the reasons more and more people are collecting it, because it does make a very spectacular display. There are other colors other than the green depression glass and the Vaseline glass, but I think those are two of the most prevalent ones. Fenton Glass was a big manufacturer of uranium glass. And I understand from Chris, my shop owner, that she says people are coming in with their little black lights now, walking around and shining it on the glassware to tell whether or not it's uranium glass. So, is it worth anything? Well, yes, collectors are really enjoying it right now. The pieces that recently were going off on eBay were going anywhere from $8, which is the low end for just a small plate, to well over $100. There was a vase that was $297. And I think a lot of the most basic pieces were in the range of about $20 to $30. As I understand it, the more it glows, the more it's worth something. And I'm sure the more rare a piece is, the more money it's going to go for. So there are probably some pieces that are worth significantly more than that. So get out your black light and go check all your depression glass and your Vaseline glass and everything else you have, and see if it's got uranium in it. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.